This is Mini Ann. Mini Ann is a CPR doll made by Länder F. She can teach you what needs to be done in an emergency. But Mini Ann has a problem. You see, Mini Ann was made to be as cheap and as accessible as possible, but that means she just can't do as much as others, even if she wants to. Of course, there are alternatives, but they cost a lot more than Mini Ann, and because of that, they don't reach nearly as many people. This means that Mini Ann needs to get better. And to do that, Mini Ann needs our help. Introducing Mini Ann 2.0. Just like Mini Ann, but with a new bag of tricks. With this, she can now do more than ever. Display data in real time on her own website, simulate realistic eyes, and much more. Let's have a closer look. Well, that's all fine, I hear you say. But wasn't Mini Ann made to be cheap? Well, yes, you are right. Mini Ann was made to be cheap, but whoever said anything about changing that? Mini Ann 2.0 is just as good as she has always been, and that includes the price. All told, Mini Ann 2.0 will cost you just about $140, and we think this is a small price to pay for the life she can now give. Okay, so she's cheap and you taught an old dog some new tricks, but is she really that good now? Well, I would not want you to take our word for it. That's why we work with experts in the medical field from across the globe and ask them what they thought.
Yeah, I must start by saying that is fantastically impressive, guys. It's really amazing. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, back here in South Africa, which I'm sure you guys consider a resource-limited country, and I'm sure we do as well. I mean, our CPR dolls are pretty much what you said. It's more of an analog feedback system. And that's the only feedback you're getting. You're pretty much knowing how far you're compressing when you're doing chest compressions. No feedback if you're doing respiration. So you kind of just... Oh, no, sorry. The only feedback on respirations is you're looking for chest rise. So, I mean, something a bit more, I wouldn't want to say sophisticated, but more something that's giving you more accuracy in terms of how well you're performing at not that much of a price is really amazing. And from what you guys are saying, it's already a job well done. You guys should be proud of yourselves. It's really good. I'm not even I'm very impressed.
Thank you.
It's amazing what you guys did in such a short time.
Thank
I'm
you.
impressed. It looks and it sounds like a great device, and I'm really impressed how you were able to do it for like around €100.
Den Ansatz finde ich sehr gut, sehr interessant, für vor allem wenig Geld, viel Informationen, und das ist sehr, sehr spannend und absolut lohnenswert, dass man das weiterverfolgt.
C'est intéressant votre projet là parce que ça part d'un mannequin qui existe déjà, qui est vraiment le basique. Alors je ne sais pas si c'est pareil dans tous les pays d'Europe, mais en France, enfin je suppose, la RDAL étant internationale, mais en France c'est le matériel de base grand public, qui est très très basique. Et c'est vrai que là en mettant 140 €, on arrive à avoir quand même un mannequin de réanimation qui donne les informations les plus pertinentes pour savoir si la réanimation est de qualité. Donc ça veut dire qu'à ce moment-là, vous vous adressez au grand public toujours, mais vous vous adressez surtout aux professionnels de santé. Donc infirmiers, paramédicaux, en préhospitalier, médecins, etc. Et je crois que c'est vraiment pas mal comme idée, hein, parce qu'avec un petit kit qui coûte pas très cher, vous arrivez à faire un mannequin, à partir de l'existant et du connu, un mannequin qui est vraiment de qualité pour avoir toutes les données importantes, hein.